Welcome to the Glitter, Glam, and Glitz Tablescape. Enjoy. Today's Tablescape is hosted by Miss Marilyn of Fabulous Designs on a Budget and co-hosted by Elle of Easy Living with Elle and Diva Decorating, Miss Geraldine. So today for my Tablescape, I pretty much kept it glam and added a little glitz, but I still left it a little simple. So I have my centerpiece, and my glitter is my circle serving tray in the center that I DIY'd myself. And my sparkle is the gem surrounding that particular piece. My whole complete centerpiece is DIY'd by myself. I chose to use my white plates trimmed in silver, and I also did not do as much layering as I usually do, but I added a clear bowl and silverware, a spoon and fork, and I also did my saucers too. I have the saucers that's trimmed in silver, and I did a simple champagne glass. I used one of my spring floral designs that I did for my centerpieces. So right now I have the lights dim so you can see my sparkle. So I use the gems in down the center on each side, also the acrylic gems. This particular tablescape did not cost me anything. Everything I used in the tablescape I already had. So even the candle holder in the center with the sparkle and the glitter on it was also DIY by me, Uneatly taped. Thank you to all the ladies that put together this tablescape and invited us to join them. I want to send a special thanks to Miss Marilyn, Miss Elle, and Miss Geraldine. All of their channels will be linked in my description box below. And if you are not a part of my family, I would love to have you. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching the Glam Glitz Tablescape. Make sure you stop by and watch some of the other participants' tables. Also, like, comment, and subscribe to their channels and show some love.